Before you decide to buy 1Password, there are 7 crucial things you need to know. Whether you're switching from another password manager or trying it out for the first time, this information will help you make a more informed decision. Stick around till the end because we'll also talk about a deal that could make trying 1Password a no-brainer. First up, 1Password is known for its strong security features, but how does it compare to competitors? Unlike many password managers, 1Password goes the extra mile with its end-to-end encryption and zero-knowledge architecture. This means that even 1Password itself can't access your data. In comparison, other services like LastPass and Dashlane offer similar encryption but have had security breaches in the past. With 1Password, your vault is protected with a secret key only you know, making it one of the most secure options out there. Next thing to consider is how easy 1Password makes managing all your passwords, even in comparison to others. The user interface is simple and clean, which is key when dealing with something as important as your passwords. If you've used something like Bitwarden, you might notice it's a bit more technical, whereas 1Password's layout is user-friendly and intuitive. You can easily organize passwords, secure notes, and even credit card details into different categories. The ability to categorize data like this is a big plus over competitors like KeePass, which doesn't offer such user-friendly features. The third thing to note is 1Password's browser extension, which is one of its standout features. It works seamlessly across browsers like Chrome, Firefox, and Safari, automatically filling in passwords and even offering to save new ones with just a click. Competitors like Dashlane and LastPass do offer browser extensions, but 1Password's extension is particularly smooth and reliable. You won't have to worry about it glitching out when filling out forms, which can be a pain with other tools. Now, the fourth thing to think about is family and team plans. 1Password's family plan lets you share passwords securely, with separate vaults for everyone. It's more flexible than something like Dashlane's family offering, which restricts some features. On top of that, 1Password's team and business plans allow for easy administration and access control, so businesses can manage employees' passwords efficiently. If you're running a team or a family, this is a big selling point. The fifth point is customer support. 1Password offers 24/7 support through email, and their online resources, including detailed guides, are comprehensive. They also have a large user community where you can find tips and solutions to common problems. Competitors like LastPass also offer support, but many users have noted 1Password's customer service is more responsive and more helpful overall. Next thing, pricing. 1Password isn't the cheapest password manager on the market, but it's certainly one of the best value for the features you get. The personal plan starts at $2.99 a month, which is competitive when you consider the level of security, support, and ease of use it offers. Compare this to something like Bitwarden, which is free with a paid option, but the premium features are much more limited. While 1Password might cost a little more upfront, the security and convenience make it worth the price for many users. The seventh and final thing you need to know is the added peace of mind from their Watchtower feature. This checks if any of your passwords have been compromised in a data breach, which is a crucial feature that sets 1Password apart. Although other managers like Dashlane and LastPass offer similar features, 1Password's implementation is robust, giving you a full report of any security issues and what steps to take. To sum it up, 1Password is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable, user-friendly, and secure password manager. Whether you're managing personal passwords or handling a team, it offers some of the best security features, customer support, and ease of use in the industry. And if you want to try out 1Password for yourself, you can get started today by clicking the first link in the description for the best free trial available, along with some exclusive benefits you won't find anywhere else.